Oh, it always feels good when you associate with such a large show, such a big show, and I'm happy that India is now waking up to this kind of entertainment, and it feels really good that Indians at their homes are enjoying this kind of entertainment, which is fantastic, and I think it is very useful entertainment. So I'm really happy, and I would like to wish MasterChef a great success. Oh, in terms of food industry, the growth has been phenomenal, and it's not just the food on TV, but as you would see around you, number of restaurants, number of food products or services, the growth has been phenomenal. So now I think it is time for television growth, and which we are seeing, and it's unparalleled. And I think next few years, food would be the entertainment on TV. For me, favorite is something which does not depend on what I like. I normally say that food, when you are cooking, you should know who you are cooking for, and you cook for their taste. So if I am cooking, I would like to know who I am cooking for, what do they like. I would ask them and then cook it. And if you do that, it will work always. So my favorite thing is that if I can bring a smile to somebody else's face, and if they enjoy it, I'm happy with it. So that's what I like. If I were to cook for myself, I normally like to cook very simple things, things which can be cooked very easily, but it should have something which I have not tried before. It should be something which would surprise me also. So that is where I think innovation. Actually, this is innovation, something which comes naturally to me. But since I keep on challenging myself, I keep on trying things myself. I realize there are times I have tried things which have been very weird, but there have been times where I have tried few things and they have come up really well. What I try and do is I try and break the paradigm. And if everybody is going this way, I'd go this way. अगर आप सब लोग कुछ चीज़ को हमेशा आपने मीठा देखा है, तो मैं उसको नमकीन देखूँगा. So if you think that जलेबी मीठी होती है, so I say why? जलेबी की चाट कैसी लगेगी? अभी तक नहीं बनाई है. The high point in my life would be, I would say, the day I got, the day I came into this world. That would be, maybe I didn't know at that time, but I think that's something which I feel. Then the day I met my wife Alyona, and then the day my daughters were born. So I would say those have been most important moments for me. I've been very, very fortunate that my parents had always believed in me, and never, actually not even once did they question that what I want to do, was it right or not. And they encouraged me so much, and actually the environment around me, I would say at home, was very, very conducive, and that helped me so much. Though my friends and others, they were not very sure that what I was doing, but so I was little skeptical, but my parents, they gave me such support and strength. They said, oh, we believe in you, we believe in what you would do, go ahead and do it. And I think that confidence has really helped me. I don't know whether mindset is changing. I think perception is changing. So when perception changes, it helps reality to change. So now we are at a stage where I always say that we are a country which talks about salads and eats samosas. So I think if we start talking about salads, we will go towards salads. So today people have more confidence in this field. People believe that the opportunity size is huge and it's only going to grow. But the road is not that easy. It is tough. It is so unless you have focus, unless you have belief, unless you have passion, don't get into it, because otherwise you will get disenchanted and you will believe that, oh my God, what have I got into? But if you have that passion, confidence will come automatically.